Have you ever wondered if extensions are made? Let's find out together.
Our tap-in extension is made right here in our own factory with over 10 years of experience and mass production capacity. We control every step from raw hair to final product. Want fuller, longer hair in minutes? Try our premium tap-in extensions, long-lasting hold, lightweight, natural-looking, and easy to apply. And our products are continuously improved with the latest technology for durability and shine. We offer every color and style you need, from classic black to trendy color. Vietnam Remy Hair is your trusted partner worldwide. Contact now for wholesale prices.